Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic pry tool, and an anti-static wrist strap for safety. Begin by powering off your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5 and unplugging it from any power source. Next, remove all external devices connected to the laptop. Once the laptop is powered down, flip it over to access the back panel. You will notice several screws securing the panel in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a safe location. Make sure to keep track of which screws go where, as they can vary in size. If you're unfamiliar with this process, don't hesitate to reach out for our professional diagnosis without obligation to ensure you're on the right track. After removing the screws, use your plastic pry tool to gently lift the back panel off the laptop. Be cautious during this step to avoid damaging any clips. Once the panel is removed, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop using compressed air. This is a good opportunity to improve the cooling efficiency of your device. Now, locate the battery. The battery will be a large rectangular component, typically secured with additional screws. Remove these screws with your Phillips screwdriver and carefully disconnect the battery from the motherboard. If you're unsure about handling the components, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get professional help without any hassle. With the old battery disconnected, take your new battery and align it with the connectors on the motherboard. Press it firmly into place and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure that it's connected properly to avoid any future issues. If you're not comfortable with this, we can provide a quote before repair to assess your laptop's needs without any commitment on your part. Once the new battery is installed, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it properly and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Reinsert all the screws to secure the panel, ensuring that you've replaced them in their original positions. This is crucial for maintaining the structural integrity of your laptop. Finally, flip your laptop back over, plug it in, and power it on. Check to see if the new battery is recognized by the system. You can do this by going into the settings and checking the battery status. This step confirms that everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for further assistance. Remember, with our services, there are no calls and no travel required. We prioritize your convenience. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced the battery in your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5. This simple and cost-effective solution can extend the life of your laptop significantly. Always keep your laptop clean and ensure you're using the correct charger to maintain battery health. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.